Let's connect your PopAds conversions to wecantrack, so your affiliate sales show up against your PopAds traffic. Start in your PopAds account. From the Advertiser panel, open Conversions. This is your Postback Setup. This URL reports conversions back to PopAds. Find the AID parameter in that URL and copy its value. Now switch to wecantrack. Open Data Integration, then Platforms. Search for PopAds and open it. Your site's event shows a missing PopAds AID. Click Edit. Paste the AD you copied, then save. Last step. Open Features and turn on your PopAds integration. That's it. Your PopAds conversions now flow straight into wecantrack. Want to connect more? Check out our other tutorial videos.